Angry golden Tweetie noises. Ah!
What is wrong with you? Nano, the logo fan, Red Glasses Enterprises Inc. Poe? Why in the world did you do that? Who said that you can terminate me on my YouTube channel? You should have known better. When will you learn from your consequences? Actually, your consequences is that Mike Paul will expose you. And second, the user that hated you will officially get a rant from you. Hope you'll understand, and this is your lesson. Come on, guys, let's teach this bad user a lesson. Got it? Okay, good. Because I can't stand with him. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on my post notifications. Okay, bye. I'm still mad at him, by the way.